Hi, do you want to become your best, strongest this coming new year? But you feel overwhelmed by the pressure of joining a group or traveling to a yoga class. Welcome to New Year's Renew You program. So, what it is? This is a virtual 30 days body mind reset challenge to help beginner yoga practitioner. If you're beginner yoga practitioner, this is a perfect challenge for you to start the new year to unlock your body and mind with a daily 30 minutes of yoga sessions plus unique virtual activity and challenges to keep you motivated and on track. So this challenge, what we will do in this challenge is I will guide you with a step-by-step yoga designed to help a beginner. If you're a beginner, this is perfect for you to increase your body mobility, strength, improve your well-being in just 30 days to start your new year right. Um, with our weekly check-in and supportive community, we'll track your progress and inspire and motivate you to keep on track and to keep going through the 30 days. So we provide assistance to address any challenge that may arise during the 30 days. So in this 30 day, we have a 30 day that set up for you with the stage one, the phase one that day 1 to day 5, foundations and mindful start. So we're going to start very gentle here to like gentle yoga poses and to bring the proper alignment to help you get into the pose with a proper alignment. So you will be able to experience the healing power of breath work, the mindful meditations, unlock the inner wisdom of your body and discover greater sense of balance in your life. Move to the stage 2, day 6 to day 7. Here, we merge yoga with body weight movement to create powerful strength building exercise. A unique method combine the mental and physical body with power, strong poses, movement to toning your overall muscle. Move to the stage 3, day 6 to day 16 to 25. And here we're going to dive into a meditative power of Vinyasa Flow Yoga, which bring balance and flexibility into perfect harmony. So here in this state of 3, you're going to learn the Vinyasa style yoga to create enhanced sense of inner peace and purpose. The last state, day 26 to 30, integrating mind and body. So the last week we're going to celebrate with focused yoga for mental clarity and concentrations for well-being. Here, we're going to have the celebrate planning for sustainable health and wellness after the challenge as well. So, if this is right for you, if you're a beginner yoga practitioner, you want to start the new year with powerful, healthy, and joyful transformations, join us now. All the detail below here, and if you need any more information, have any questions, please feel free to direct contact me through all the contact detail below here as well. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. May you be healthy and happy.